So these are my boxes, my delivery of my Breathe premium guided mental health journal. So exciting. So here we are. I already opened this yesterday. This arrived yesterday. Very excited. But I just want to do, I'm not doing a very good job of the camera here. But I want to show you. Very exciting. Look at this. This is my spiral. Woo, the spiral journal. So, and then I've got another box here that I opened up yesterday as well. And this is the bound. This is the bound journals. So exciting, so exciting. So, if we look inside the spiral, breathe, 90-day mental health journal. Look at the beautiful spiral this journal belongs to. And then you've got the different sections, the welcome, and beautiful sections, and then a nice beautiful poem by Louise Hay. The point of power is always in the present moment. And then section 1, the directions, and your why, and then your responsibility, and the emotions wheel, and an activity, and then the 5 senses, and then you get into the daily journaling. Look at all that room to journal. And then we've got ribbons. We've got a turquoise and a white ribbon. And then when we go to the back of the journal, there are 2 more sections. Section 3, nice beautiful poem. If you want to conquer the anxiety of life, live in the moment, live in the breath. And then section 3 is a thought stump. And then directions or instructions on how to do that. And then lots of room for that. And then the last section, section 4, is a list of mantras and steps moving forward, and another beautiful poem by Leonard Cohen. So I'm so excited. It's here. It's finally here, and I will be reaching out to people who are interested in the spiral, and it's also available on Amazon. So thank you for all of your support and this journey with me.